Hello, Chef here. I'm back yet again with another video, and I got this awesome chicken of the woods mushroom. Thought I'd share that with you one more time. Looks so cool. And I'm gonna prepare it a little bit differently here. Thought I'd give you a little insight on one of the many thousands of ways you can cook a wild mushroom. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is set up my mandolin. Got this mandolin slicer here. And what I'm going to do with the mandolin is just do some thin slices of one of the mushrooms. One of the chunks here. Okay. A little bit of organic material on there. That's okay. Yeah. This mushroom's really nice, looking really good. So let's give it a little slice here on the mandolin. Alright, that's what I got right there. I'm gonna saute this and serve it with some of the really cool pieces like this here. Okay, so I've decided to trim this up a little bit and make some bite-sized pieces out of some of these mushrooms, kind of like this, like an appetizer size. Really cool. So I'm just going to trim these down and prep them out like that. Okay. Alright, so you can see what I got going on here. This is going to be part of the appetizer. This one's going to get sauteed and made into a more of a compote mixture. Garlic, of course. Must have some garlic. Another key ingredient is going to be about a teaspoon of shallots. Shallots, I already have them diced, ready to go. At this point, I'm adding 2 ounces of white wine, as well as some tomato and basil. Mostly just for color. A little bit of water. Plating tongs. Wanted to share these with you. Give you a real quick review what I think. You can move stuff very easily, very quickly and efficiently. Lefty or righty, depends. If you can use both, that's cool. But I like them. Okay, we got a little bit of fresh basil here. Just gonna chop it up. For an appetizer, I do like my basil pretty fine. Fine minced herbs, essential in daily cooking. Okay, especially when you move to the higher level and you want to really make your food jump. That's what I'm looking for right there. Nice fine chopped herbs. Move those off to the side here. Okay. Bring my plate in. Oh yeah, there we go. This is the chicken of the woods wild mushrooms. And right here, I've got the sauteed chicken of the woods wild mushrooms. Use the plating tongs and very carefully put a little bit on each piece as an appetizer, just like this. Okay? Just a few pieces, a little morsel on each one here. Just made to be a tasting. Kind of like a organic mushroom appetizer. Similar to a bruschetta, possibly. Yeah. There we go. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. The fresh basil. These are the basil buds. 1, 2, 3. I've got the fine chopped basil herbs scattered around the plate like this. As well as one of my favorites here. This is really going to complement this dish. Parmigiano Reggiano. A little bit on each one. Just like that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the channel for more interesting stuff on the wild mushroom and other great chef recipes. Click that little like button. Please subscribe, leave a comment below, and share this recipe with some of your friends, especially if they're into organics and vegan, you know, the wild living and foraging, eating food from the wild. So this came from the wild. It looks pretty cool, and you might not even believe it's a mushroom. Don't forget about your sponsor. If you need all the cool stuff right there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Safe varnish. This is made in America. This is the best butcher block and desk surface, in my opinion. Countertops, islands, you name it. It's beautiful. Red oak is more porous and it will accept stain a little bit more. This is the same thing here, except this one is mineral oil finished. And then we're going to make it look like this. This is dark American walnut. Same deal, made in America, full-length strips, food-safe glue, perfectly flat, perfectly square. Yeah, really, really nice. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna be back and show you a few tips here.